Hey guys, I got a 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance or oil light after an oil change. So first thing we're going to do is make sure there's oil in the car and the oil change been done right. Then we're going to start the vehicle. We're going to use these buttons right here, left, right, up, down, and then press for OK. So we're going to, after clearing all the messages, you can press OK for that. Keep on pressing right till you see settings. Press OK. Scroll down to go to maintenance, press OK, service, and mine's already been reset. You can press OK again. If yours not reset, go down, press yes, and it'll reset it. You can always go back if you need to reset the air filter, tire, or the other light. If not, then that should be it. So very simple procedure, no special tools are needed. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.